All right. Here's the 3-footers for the studs. Rebar's going in. It's just about there.
What's going on, guys? Going to be doing another shop update video today. Quite a bit has been done. I was actually just over at the dentist. I got here really late. It's already starting to get dark out. But for any of you wondering, I was getting some final adjustments on my teeth, and if I keep wearing my rubber bands, I should have them off January 15th, hopefully. So the braces might finally come off.
Finally, huh?
It's been too long. But anyways, this morning, Brent filmed some stuff. They were pouring the concrete for the floor of the dyno pit, and they got the studs, or what is that, all thread?
Yep, all
in the ground.
Yep.
And that's what the dyno will actually sit on.
Sits on, so we can adjust it up and down depending on how the building's shifting or whatever.
Yeah, and they can use that to level it. So it's actually going to have some nuts on top of those that the dyno rests on, so they can use that to balance it out, get it how they need it. And the concrete's still a little wet, but as you can see, they patched up all the holes from when we did the walls. So that's gonna look really good. You can't even tell. It looks really, really good.
It turned out awesome.
Yeah, so the pit, once all the concrete dries, will be ready for the dyno to go in.
Yeah.
And then they said that should be able to be done on like Thursday. You have to give it at least a full couple days to dry.
Yep, because of the weight.
Yep. And also, if you guys notice, this back wall right here looks a little different. If you guys remember, there used to be this big metal thing over here with that sketchy ladder that came off of it. There also used to be this thing with a whole bunch of shelves over there. The compressor room, I think we already showed that getting torn down, but took that big metal thing out of the way. They used that to hold like oil drums. They used to keep them up there. They had a pump running up to those, but took all that stuff down. And this was actually his daughter's idea. This was Sam's idea to put this like paneling down here that already has like this wood decal over it. So it looks pretty good. They're just doing that all the way around for right now. Makes it look a lot nicer, and it's really cheap. Yeah, and it looks really good. It kind of matches this corrugated steel. Yeah, so it's coming along, and then that's going to be the bathroom.
Yeah, and the white is all dry erase, so we can write horsepower numbers. And
oh yeah, right here on the side of the bathroom right there.
So that'll be cool.
And then he said he's planning on doing that across the bottom of here, and then having all this with white paneling as well.
Yep. So
up to the ceiling. Yeah, that should look pretty good. But yeah, I mean, just like that, it's way more. Oh yeah, we also tore out all those benches back there. Yeah. That opened up a lot of space. It is kind of weird that it has this concrete slab right here though. It kind of comes up a couple inches out of the ground. So we're not too sure what to do with that yet. We might just leave it and then set our toolboxes in that area. I know this is going to be like a little spot for Emilio, so he's going to have to figure out how he wants to set that up.
Right. And all else, you just rip the metal out and jackhammer away.
Yeah, get it figured out. Yeah. It looks a lot better though with everything cleaned out.
Yeah, and we're still
way better.
There's gonna be a border in the middle, and some stuff still make it finished, but.
Yep, and then also, this is for the internet. We had a guy come and run all the networking.
Yeah, Cody came out and his brother Andrew, and they did the whole building, so it's all networked.
Yep. So each bay has, I don't know how this works honestly for internet. Does this go to like routers or something?
It'll be the Ethernet, yeah.
Okay, these are all Ethernet?
Yep.
Sweet. So getting internet set up.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
Just going at it. Also yesterday we were over at Emilio's and we went and picked up Hondaru. I actually brought it back last night and we're going to unload it real quick. My first time backing up a trailer. I think I did pretty good.
It did pretty good.
Got her lined up decently. But yeah, we got Hondaru in there. Emilio's not here today. He's gonna be gone all day because he is cleaning up at his shop, getting stuff ready. So we're just gonna get the Hondaru unloaded. We also brought some other little things that we're just gonna drop off. I just pulled the S14 out and we're just gonna keep it parked right in here for now. Then I'll just pull the S14 in back behind it. Just got Honda dropped off. Right now we're waiting to hear back from Clutch Masters for the twin disc that came out of Honda because we roasted the old one. We just got to call them, and I'm sure we can get that back on the way. We've just been slacking. We haven't called them back yet, even though we already sent the clutch out. But once we talk to them, I'm sure we can get the twin disc back on its way, and then we can get Honda back together because I do want to see this put back together so we can rip it around for the winter. And I know Emilio misses having Honda up and running. So we will also be working on Honda here very soon as well. Kind of has like a modern restaurant vibe.
It does kind of. It's an Outback.
It's an Outback steakhouse. Chipotle.
Yeah.
Because I know Chipotle uses that inside. Like that corrugated stuff. They wrap their counters with that.
Get a bunch of flair on the walls, you know, Texaco and...
I know, we got the Coke sign that we got on the way back.
Yeah, so you get all the pieces of flair on the wall and...
Need to hang up like an old
bicycle
or like a wagon wheel.
A bunch of old Honda parts.
It's like a Western shop. Because it matches, because it's like a pole barn. So
yeah, it's a cool look. I like it.
I mean, yeah, you can always redo it later, but it makes it. I think it looks pretty good.
I think it looks awesome.
See what they think.
Yeah. Either like it or don't. It's all good to me.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah.
Opened up a lot of space.
For sure. I like drawing on the walls too. That'll be fun. Putting dyno numbers up or having ideas and brainstorming.
Yeah, and then you said you still want to build like a
it's
build like a big loft up here too.
So when we're dynoing there, we're gonna just look down, or you're videoing, you can look down. That'll be a chill spot with the dynograph computer stuff up there too.
You put like a TV up in the corner.
Yeah, so they can
do like a little spiral staircase up to it.
Yep, exactly.
It's the plan.
That's the plan.
Put a couch up there so people can just chill and watch their car get dynoed.
Yep.
Put like a little railing.
Yep, and I want to...
He wants to have it like, well, you want it like over the door, right?
Yep.
Like have it come out over the door and then kind of have it swing over.
Right, and that part of the wall I want open too with a railing so they can look and watch the guys work.
Oh, like on that side, so you want to cut all that out?
Yep. So they can watch guys work over there or watch the dyno and just be a chill spot.
Yeah, that'll be sweet. Yeah. You guys already turboing cars back here?
Already turboing back here.
Nice.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Just doing a kit on this one?
Yeah. Should be pretty cool.
Hell yeah.
Trying to figure it all out with the tools we have here. Yeah, they're turboing a couple at the house and a couple here. Got to pay for it all somehow.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we're fixing to get out of here. This is just going to be a really quick update video. Sorry that it's so short, but we've just been kind of spread out the last couple days from each other, getting some things done. But as you guys saw, we got the concrete poured for the dyno pit. So once that dries, we'll be able to put the dyno in the ground. Brent is actually going to be gone this weekend. He leaves Thursday to go help with the trophy truck races that he goes to pretty often. So we probably won't put the dyno in until early next week once he's back. He said we could get it in starting Thursday or anytime after that if we want to, but I think it would be best if we wait until he's here because I think he should be here when the dyno goes in. Emilio has also been busy the last couple days. He's been over at his shop, like I just said. We were over there yesterday when we got Honda. I didn't really film any of that just because we were getting things done, but he might be busy for the next couple days. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be going over there to help him. We're just kind of going with the flow, but things are definitely moving along. We're gonna probably start on the upstairs here very soon as well, start knocking that out, and yeah, but we really do need to start jumping into the cars, get these things running, need to get the Wago up and going, need to get the Honda back up and going. Maybe we can have a little bit of a dig in the snow, because I know the snow's coming, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it off there, guys. Like I said, sorry, this video is gonna be really quick update, but I did actually get some bonus footage of Emilio racing Wyatt in his CRV, and Emilio was in Purple Rain. So I'm gonna end this video with that. That was yesterday before we went over to Emilio's shop. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Beat those tires up. Oh.
Yeah, start right there.
We got Wyatt CRV versus Purple Rain. You guys ready? I'm gonna go stand down there. They're gonna let off at the concrete.
Hey, watch this thing preload though. Check this out. Check the squat, all right?
I'm watching.
Ready? Watch this fucker suck down, baby.
Oh, dang.
This? I don't think you're ready.
Oh, Wyatt's out. Purple Rain got gapped. How you gonna let a CRV do that to you?
Got that.
What happened, bro?
How'd you lose that, bro? You got chopped.
Bro, you got the all-wheel drive set up.
I got an automatic 2-liter junk, bro. I got 1,000 pounds on you.
Purple Rain just got gapped, bro.
All right, how about we start on the asphalt? That'll give you more traction.
Then how you gonna stop? You gonna run into the
Start
dumpster?
stopping at the fucking end of the asphalt. We can't be doing but 15. They're Hondas, bro. 15, 20 mile an hour tops.
Oh! Oh! Purple Rain got him that time.
What happened there?
All right, whatever.
He got me in the dirt. I got him on the street. Oh, what is he doing, Doc? What are you doing? You can't be doing a victory lap because I just beat you.
But it's 1 for 1, bitch.
All right, where are we going next?
1 for 1? Well, so is that the tiebreaker?
Yeah, it has to be.
Honda versus Sketchy?
Honda versus Sketchy DA.
DA, I have to make that clear, not Sketchy Bert.
Sketchy EK.
Sketchy EK.
I ain't gonna change my name just because I changed my car.
All right, Sketchy DA is everything that you drive then.
Everything is sketchy.
Like that is Sketchy DA too. It just got gapped.
I think I had like 3 cars on
In the
you.
dirt,
You
I'm
only
just
had a
spinning,
car on
dude.
me, man.
Look at my tire marks.
I spun off.
You don't even have tire marks in the dirt.
Whatever.
You just get out.
All right, well I'm gonna go finish up some work that I should have been doing all day.
Have fun with that.
Later.
Go ahead.
Laters.